Hi, it's Dennis here. Just thought we'd give you a quick explanation as to why we started and put together these 7 lessons for you guys. You will remember that the first WhatsApp message I sent out was asking you if you might need more buildings because our business is buildings. But sure, in some cases there was a need for more buildings, more rooms because you had too many visitors. But in a lot of cases the feedback we got was you need more visitors before you need more rooms. So we thought, okay, how can we help with that? Because obviously, if you need more visitors and there's ways that we can help you to do that, then your business will be better. So that's why we put these lessons together to focus on package creation, because packages are what brings more people, gets them to stay longer, and also to spend more money and enjoy themselves more and share those experiences on Facebook and everything else. So that's why we did it. We certainly hope you're enjoying the lessons and getting something of value from them. Please keep asking us questions. Please keep giving us feedback. And we're looking forward to the next lesson and hearing more from you. Thank you. Bye.